Hello, welcome to this video of row widget in Flutter app development. While designing user interface of our app, we need to arrange contents or widgets in rows or columns. In such case, Flutter uses row or column widgets. Row widget that displays is children in horizontal array. Row widget does not scroll, that is, if we try to put more children in a row than will fit it in the available space, then error will occur. Some of the common properties of row widgets are: first one, children. More than one child widget nested in row widget. This property of row take list of widgets which are to be displayed in a row on the screen. Second, main axis alignment. This property is for how to place children widgets in horizontal or x-axis direction, that is to be placed at the start or at the end or at the center, etc. Similarly, cross-axis alignment property. This property is for how to place children widgets in vertical or y-axis direction, that is at the start or top, at the end or at the center, etc. Now we will see how to use row widget in our app. So we'll use same code that we have used in previous app creation or previous video. Again, I have changed name of the app bar, that is row. Body is empty. So now in body I have used row widget. Now it has lot many properties. Out of that I am using children property, that is the compulsory one, children. Now it shows the square bracket, that is the symbol for list. So here I'll use first as a text widget through which data or message to be passed. I'll write simply I and use style property. Using text style, I'll change font and background color. For example, colors dot, suppose I'll use green. So this is first widget, that is text widget I use. I'll put comma after this because this is the first child, then second child. It could be of different type. For example, I am using container. Now in the container I am nesting again another text widget as a child. First of all, I'll change the color or use color property. Colors dot, for example, yellow accent. Then child widget. In child widget I'll use text. I write some text, suppose hello, and using style property and text style, I'll change font and color of the text. Font size, color is already, color of the box is already set by. So now these two widgets are shown. Hi and hello. Hi is the text normal and hello is using container. Now I'll put comma and I'll use one more child as image widget. I'm using three different kinds of children or widget. So image, asset image. Now I'll have to create image directory under folder. download image, copy that image from this folder and put it into the image folder. Okay. As I'm using image, so it must be changed or saved in a configuration file, that is perf YML file. Under assets, I'll run command code under assets, images slash p1 p3 dot jpg file I have it. So I'll save it and run perf as perf has been edited, so I have to get dependencies. Now in the asset image, I have to mention that image by giving images slash p3.jpg. I'm just changing the width of image 50. We'll see details of image in image folder. Now here it is, some error occurs in the display. That means image cannot be displayed. There could be some error. Everything is okay, but still there is an error. So I'll use another image that I already downloaded, suppose, and paste it in the images folder. Then I'll make changes accordingly in the perf YML. So p5.jpg, I save it and run the get dependencies. Now here p5.jpg with width, execute the code. Yes, this image is displayed in very small. Previous one image was big, that is why it could not display it. Now I'll use one more property, that is main axis alignment. With main axis alignment class dot, these are the end, center, start. So if I use end, it will display at the end of the row. You can try other also. If I use space apart, space between, then it will give space between three children. Another property, cross axis alignment, and the same values, end, center. It will come little bit down, that is the end of the first row. If you use stretch property, it will stretch all the widget. Now first widget is a text widget, it will not stretch. Second is a container, it will get stretch. And third is the image, that is the whose width is already given, it could not be stretched. So output will be like this. So thank you. This is for row widget. We'll see column in next video.